Do you ever feel like you're not spinning at hundreds of miles per hour on a globe, or that your world is deceiving you? If so, you might just be a flat earther. Personally, however, I am not, but I do have an interest in this phenomenon known as a flat earth theory, and I've seen how believers can convince people that the world is flat. By definition, this is the theory that the earth is a flat plane or disk, in contrast with the popular idea that the earth is a sphere. Many people have their own reasons to turning to the flat side, like Steve Matthews' testimony after the 2017 eclipse. I was somber, realizing that you've got a 2,159 mile wide object high above the earth, and it's casting a 70 mile wide shadow. That's quite a reduction of size. He says after more research, he became a flat earther. Along with this, from 2015 to 2017, searches for flat earth, as shown by Google Trends, has more than tripled. Statistically, this shows that the interest has been on the rise. Believers of the flat earth theory can be easy to believe and convince you with their confidence and firm belief that the world around you is not what it seems. With this in mind, I will present my main points almost fact-like, as the Flat Earth Society has done for us. In this speech, I will share with you 3 pieces of information that flat earthers use to prove their theory right. Water always finds its level, the flat earth map itself, and an interesting tale of a plane and its emergency destination. Our first piece of information is water. Water always finds its level. Whether it's in a cup, a pool, or a lake, water always becomes level. It is fact. Water cannot curve when at rest. How can this be possible on a spherical globe? On a globe, water must curve all the way around the sphere. The water has to become a sphere on a globe. When putting this information together, the oceans should not be able to exist on a globe Earth. Compared with the flat Earth idea, works exceptionally well with all the oceans existing on a flat plane. With the understanding that the Earth must exist on a flat plane due to the rule that water always levels out, it's time to examine what the Earth really looks like. According to the Flat Earth Society, this is the official flat Earth map, or at least what the Earth looks like. When many people think of a flat Earth map, they think of a square map with edges where people could simply walk off. This is not the case. The Earth is a flat disk with all the oceans held in by Antarctica clinging to the outer circle of the Earth. Within this map, sailing around the world is completely possible, and the map does not interfere with our understanding of the world today. Now that you understand the true form of the Earth, this next piece of information can be explained very easily. I'd like to share with you a narrative of a particularly interesting plane ride. A few years ago, a woman on a flight from Taiwan to Los Angeles unexpectedly went into labor during flight. The plane had to make an emergency landing. Now, where do you think they'd land? According to the globe Earth map, we can see that the flight from Taiwan to Los Angeles should be just practically a straight line. They could stop in Hawaii or divert back to Japan. Nope, they stop in Alaska. This does not make sense on a globe Earth because Alaska is way up above the line from Taiwan to Los Angeles. But on a flat Earth, it makes perfect sense. Because if we draw a straight line on the flat Earth from Taiwan, which is here, to Los Angeles, what's right in the middle? Alaska. I will now summarize these points and reiterate what believers of the flat Earth people do. To summarize, I shared with you 3 examples that the flat earthers used to disprove the Earth being a globe. The fact that water always finds its level, the flat Earth map itself, and our tale of a plane landing in Alaska when that seemed to be the furthest place they should land. If this speech confused you about your reality, don't let it. In the words of Sherlock Holmes, insensibly one begins to twist facts to suit theories, instead of theories to suit facts. This is what flat earthers do to their theory. In conclusion, I leave you with this. Don't believe everything you hear, and don't let someone's confidence make their words seem true.